Hi guys, I brought to you a very special model kit today. This is the 1/72nd scale Nakajima Kikka from the manufacturer Pegasus. This model kit was made in Great Britain in the early 90s, and as you see it is a short run kit, or better to say a very short run kit. It came in this transparent bag, so unboxing is not the correct word. Let's just say I unbagged it before the build process. And yes, you heard right, I will build this model kit in this video. But you may ask, hey Richie, there are many very nice Nakajima Kikka model kits on the market. Why this one? Well my friend, this is an unusual model kit, and unusual is one of my favorite words. Already at this stage I am pretty sure that the finished model kit will not win any beauty contest whatsoever. But I think the enjoyment of building this weirdo kit will compensate me for everything. So let's see what is in the bag. A few grey sprues made from very soft grey plastic, white metal landing gears, a canopy which could have been more transparent, and decals which looks a bit darker as it should be. But in the build process I'm not gonna change neither of them. I build this kit as it is. Here is a nice detail what I like on this kit. The safety belts on the seat. And here is the instrument panel with recessed instruments. During the build I will show you a simple technique how to make these types of instrument panels looks like very realistic, without photo-etched parts. This is the inner side of the fuselage with an interesting sign in it. Chris, 27th of June 1990. Probably this is the signature of the mold form maker. Nice work, Chris. And here is the other side of the fuselage. It says Kikka Part 2. I also found the instructions. Interestingly, it is not drawn as usual. It is written. Let's write what is in the instruction. Section 1. Firstly, separate the fuselage halves from the sprue, then gently rub down until the perfect match has been made. I think here is something missing. I know. Sorry Chris, this is my model kit now. Cheers mate. Here is a very nice trick for you, the case if you build a model kit with recessed instrument panel. This is very thin acrylic white paint. Fill the whole of the instruments with it, and after the drying the paint will more intense on the edges, like on the middle of the instruments. It will mimic the scale of the instruments. After the white paint is dried, fill the holes again, but this time with thinned PVA glue. The PVA glue dries transparent and glossy. It will mimic the glass of the instruments. If you plan to build your small-scale model kit with closed canopy, this is the best cheap alternative of the photo-etched instrument panel. Pretty nice effect, huh? I found it when I wanted to paint white an instrument with over-thinned white acrylic paint. Instruction section 2. Join together adding the seat and instrument panel. Detail cockpit to individual choice. The front leg bay should be boxed in using plastic card. Instruction section 3. When dry, remove join line and trim and attach main wing panels. Fill all join lines where visible. Instruction section 4. Construct the engine nozzles, taking care to put the pointed exhaust cone rearwards. When completed, attach to the wing undersurfaces. Instruction section 5. Add fin and tail planes, and using the templates on this review, construct all doors from plastic card. And instructions 6, 7 and 8. Invert model, add white metal legs. White metal parts should be glued with cyanoacrylate adhesive. When dry, add doors and wheels. Attach rear cockpit decking and canopy. Paint model in accordance with coloring notes. And when completed, add decals. This stuff is parafilm I try out for the first time. This material is used by people who work with old school photo negatives or film ribbons. It is some kind of a masking tape. Maybe it will work as a modeling masking tape too. Let's see. Houston, we have a problem. The front landing gear is too short. These crimpable cable ends helped me a few times in the past. I think they will do the trick once again. It looks like I have one more thing to do to finish this video. I hope you liked my unusual model kit build. Thank you for watching.